Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Store in a very simple way. What you need to do, if you get the Microsoft Store into your taskbar, then it's okay. But if you didn't get it, then simply come over into your search option and going to search for Microsoft Store. After getting the Microsoft Store, just simply click on it and your Microsoft Store will be open. And here, if you faced any problem to log in, just simply click on that and then you will get an option called sign in. Here you can say I have the sign in Microsoft account, so I don't need to sign in. After that, you can simply search any of apps. If you want to download, you can do it as well. Also, you can select the app section and you will get all apps for your Microsoft Store. And also you will get an option called what's new. If you get any of new layout, then you will get the notification from here. After that, there will be option called downloads. If your computer wants any of types of update, you can simply come over into this download section, and from here you can simply update any of your file. Also, there is a library, and from here you can get all of your apps into your Microsoft Store. Also, there is option for gaming, apps, or home over here. And if you want to download any of apps, simply search and you can get it as well. So this is how we can use Microsoft Store for your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.